If you were a king and you were about to build your castle, you wouldn't start without laying a solid foundation, having a clear plan, and investing in the scaffolding to support your castle. You are a king, and all the areas of your life are supported in an energetic castle. When your castle is clean, clear, and stable, your relationships, your money, your work, and yourself thrive in this safe and abundant environment. But this process of consciously creating our lives is not something that we're taught. And so we end up living in other people's castles, or the one that we constructed feels like a prison. I'm going to share with you the 6 steps to go through in order to build a solid castle to protect and serve your kingdom. Step 1. Build solid foundations. In order to build a solid base, you need to feel in your power. Step 1 is about self-care. How do you move, eat, think, and set yourself up each day? When you cultivate a daily self-care practice, you're creating a solid foundation for your life. Step 2. Maintain your electrical system. Your nervous system moves energy and information around your castle. When you develop an emotional movement practice, you sharpen and enhance this system. But if you don't know how to move your energy, you'll always be triggered, relationships bursting into flames, and short circuits that make your castle feel more like a haunted house. Step 3. Building the plan. The 8 pillars of lifestyle design represent the 8 areas of your life. Make sure that you have a clear and measurable blueprint for each of these building blocks so that your castle is stable and balanced. Step 4. Pouring the cement. The quantum field is an energetic network that holds our material world together. When you understand how your thoughts become things, improvements you make in your mindset translate into improvements in your life. Manifestation is the cement that holds your castle together. Know how to live in alignment with this natural law. Step 5. Install stabilization. Just like your castle needs support as it grows, so do you. Develop a daily practice where you set your intentions for the day so that your actions support the life that you're creating. And step 6, set up monitoring and maintenance. Just like your castle needs to be maintained, make sure that you have a process to reflect, enhance, and grow from your life's experiences. This means more uptime and not falling back into bad habits. Trying to build a castle and run a kingdom on your own is an old and outdated model of masculinity. Today's leaders and game changers are all working together, sharing ideas, resources, and co-creating so that we support one another and all rise together.